Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, the 6th of June 2014, looking at the majors, US dollar, Japanese yen from the monthly to the 1 hour chart. We're going to take it. And once again, we're using the Elliott wave analysis. And before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine. So, once again, let's look at the charts. Here we are. This is the monthly chart for the US Japanese yen. I've taken off all the kind of wave counts so you can actually see. Otherwise, it gets a little bit messy, as you can see. But here we have is we start with the super cycle, and that's 0.0 here on the 24th of July 1998. That's where I've taken this wave count from. So 0 A, B. So we're in an ABC correction of the larger wave degree, and its subwaves, of course, is a cycle degree, and it's also in A, B, C correction. So let's now take it down to a daily. You might be able to get a better feel on that, or a weekly. If I take it to the weekly, you can probably see there is where it starts the subwave A, B, and we're in a C wave. So we're in a C wave off a B wave, right? So the C wave then breaks down into the primary wave, which will be red and in circles. Red in circles, that will have 5 waves. So if we take our wave 0 from here for the for the primary wave, take our wave 1 at the high of 31st of December 2013, and then we're in a wave 2. So we're in a wave 2 down, right? We need to go down. That's the key point. We're looking at a target at 98.34, 98.30, and that will take us to the 618 point location. That's what we're looking for. That's what our anticipations is. We expect that's how it will be. Of course, the price can do anything, and we can only go accordingly to our ratios. So currently now, if this ratio is met, then fine. When we break that down further, let's go to the 4 hour. So we've said we're in a wave 2 of a primary wave, and we're breaking that down further, and we're in a C wave off. We go back to the daily. We're a C wave off its subwave, which is the intermediate, being in green in brackets. Yeah, so A, B, and there's the C. So we're in a C wave down. Let's knock that down to the 4 hour chart. When we break that down further, in fact, let's go to this other chart. When we break that down further, we can get from the A, B, C. There's the A, there's the B, right? And the A is there. A, B. Its subwaves of the intermediate is the minor wave, minor degree, which is pink. And as you can see, there's wave 1, there's wave 2, right? And you can see price came at the 61% level to verify. And let's have a look closely so there's no mistakes on this. Yep, there's that peak there. So price came to the 61.8 level, right, to verify that retracement for the wave 2 for the minor. We break that down further, and then we get into the minute. Now the minute is blue and in circles. So there's the wave 1, we've taken it. In fact, that wave 1 could verify to come down a little bit further. So if we bring that wave down here, that's the wave 1, okay? And that pushes up our wave 2 beyond the 78.6 level. That's this location here, this wave 2 here, I'll have to make that a little bit bigger so you can see. So you can see this wave 2 here has passed through the 78.6 level and heading towards the 100% level. We've got our stop in place around at that location, and I have to make that a little bit bigger and wider and thicker, right? So our stop is at 103.163, and in fact we've got 4 trades right now. We'll probably have to bring all our stop losses all the way down to this level to avoid any problems thereafter. We had put some entries here which previously were the 61.8 and 78.6, which of course have been taken out. When I look at this in terms of our Tiger filter, which is all these series of lines, I can see that this could be a valid kind of wave 2. Yeah, but once again, price can do whatever it wants to do and throw things and make a mockery of this wave count. So this level here is an important level, because if this is taken out here, then what will this wave 2 is taken out at 103.88. 103.88 is taken out. That means this wave 2 isn't valid, and which is the minute wave, and therefore this minor wave moves across. And if we look a little bit further, where does that minor wave come into play? That minor wave is here. So price, which is this one here, so price would need to go all the way back up there to invalidate that wave count for the minor wave, right? So what I've got to say, traders, we've got to be very careful with our stop losses and just try to avoid being blown out. These three trades, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, they're stop losses here, and we got a trailing stop on one of them. So we're going to have to be very careful in what we're doing accordingly. Yeah, so just watch out for that. So let's just look right now, where do we stand in terms of this wave count. We've taken that wave 2 up here. Our profit targets have to be altered then for these 2 particular waves, and we'll put it back to the 61.8 level. Right, we'll move that back to the 61.8 level here. So just to be sure, and move this one back to the 78.6 level. Right, and what we'll have to do, we have an error here. So yeah, that will have to be here then, and that wave 4 will have to come down around here if it's going to be validated. And that's a very short retracement for the wave 4. That's bearing in mind our count is correct. Like I say, anything can happen. We'd like to see more push down accordingly. We're on the 4-hour chart. Let's take it to the 1-hour chart so you can have a better, broader look, etc., etc. As you can see, look how the price is pushed way above this line here. Okay. And if we break that structure down, okay, so what I've done, I've actually broken this further wave off the minute degree, which is blue in circles, Roman numbers, to the minute, which is black Roman numbers and in brackets, and I've broken it down there. Then you can see there's a wave 1, wave 2 hit this close to the 78.6 level, wave 3 projecting it to come down to 161.8, which is 102. Price has gone back up right now. What we'll have to do, we'll have to put our awesome oscillator on there. That just helps us to determine certain things, and also I like to put on a slow stochastics just to help me with certain aspects of overbought, oversold. So we're still looking, I'm still expecting price to come down and knock out this wave 3. It'll go up for a wave 4. And the overall direction I'm seeing is to go down. Okay, so when I look at this particular aspect of these trades here, you can see there's the wave 1 of the minute degree. Wave 2 is up there, a bit busy. I'm sorry for that, traders. And right, there's the wave 2, and the wave 3 comes down there to the 100% level. You should hopefully take out our targets. When I go back to the 1 hour chart, I can take off all these other ratios. So that's really where we're standing. Still, let's go through the necessary trades, which what we had. We took these two trades at 102.684, which was based on the 78.6 retracement. Just recently just moved that wave down, therefore it's thrown that out of sync, and the 61.8 level at 102.429. Stop loss at 103.163. Targets are 101.411. And second target 101.050. Ultimate target is, we're going to have to move that up as well, because we just recently moved everything. Ultimate target is for those particular options is 100.565. Okay, fine. So that's me, traders. I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.